Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the top 5 foods that can help seniors prevent leg cramps and keep their legs strong. Leg cramps are a common problem among older adults, especially at night or after physical activity. These cramps can feel painful, sudden, and often interfere with daily comfort and mobility. But did you know that the right diet can make a huge difference in preventing these cramps? Yes, the foods you eat can either reduce or worsen your chances of experiencing these painful spasms. That's why in this video, we'll uncover the top 5 foods that help prevent leg cramps in seniors and promote stronger, healthier legs. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness updates. Now let's dive into the list. Food number 1, bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, and they're especially beneficial for seniors who often experience leg cramps. The reason bananas are so powerful is that they are loaded with potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral and electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions. When your body lacks potassium, your muscles are more likely to cramp up. By including bananas in your daily diet, you provide your muscles with the potassium they need to function properly. Bananas are also easy to digest, inexpensive, and versatile. You can eat them as a quick snack, blend them in smoothies, or slice them over cereal. Seniors who struggle with late-night cramps can even try eating a banana before bedtime. This can help reduce the chances of nighttime muscle spasms. In short, bananas are a simple but effective food for preventing leg cramps. Now let's move on to food number 2, spinach. Spinach is a dark, leafy green packed with nutrients that are essential for muscle health. One of the key nutrients in spinach is magnesium. Magnesium works hand in hand with potassium to keep your muscles relaxed and functioning properly. When you are deficient in magnesium, muscle cramps become more common and more intense. Spinach also contains calcium, another important mineral that supports nerve and muscle communication. By adding spinach to your meals, you strengthen your legs and lower the risk of painful cramps. The best part is that spinach can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can add it to salads, soups, omelets, or even blend it into a green smoothie. For seniors, cooked spinach is often easier to digest and can still provide the same nutritional benefits. So, make spinach a regular part of your meals to boost muscle health and reduce cramps. Food number 3, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious, they are also packed with nutrients that help prevent cramps. Like bananas, sweet potatoes are rich in potassium. But they also contain a good amount of magnesium and calcium, making them a triple powerhouse against muscle cramps. These minerals work together to support proper muscle contraction and relaxation. When seniors don't get enough of these minerals, muscles can tighten unexpectedly, leading to cramps. Sweet potatoes also provide complex carbohydrates, which give long-lasting energy. This is especially helpful for seniors who want to stay active without experiencing fatigue or muscle weakness. You can enjoy sweet potatoes baked, boiled, or roasted. They can even replace regular potatoes for a healthier alternative. Adding sweet potatoes to your diet a few times a week can greatly reduce the frequency of leg cramps. Now let's talk about food number 4, oranges. Oranges are well known for being rich in vitamin C, but their benefits go far beyond boosting immunity. One of the key benefits of oranges for seniors is hydration and electrolyte balance. Dehydration is one of the leading causes of muscle cramps, especially among older adults. Oranges provide fluids and electrolytes that help keep your muscles hydrated and functioning smoothly. In addition, oranges contain potassium and calcium, both of which are vital for muscle strength. Drinking fresh orange juice or eating a whole orange daily can provide your body with hydration and essential minerals. For seniors who don't enjoy plain water, orange juice can be a refreshing way to stay hydrated and avoid cramps. So, make oranges part of your diet to support hydration, muscle health, and overall energy levels. Food number 5, salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of high-quality protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue, which is crucial for seniors who want strong legs. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, which can contribute to muscle stiffness and cramps. Salmon also contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamin D, all of which play a role in preventing cramps. Vitamin D is particularly important because it supports calcium absorption, which is vital for muscle and bone health. By including salmon in your diet twice a week, you can improve muscle strength and reduce the frequency of cramps. For seniors who don't like fish, other sources of omega-3s such as walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds can be good alternatives. But salmon remains one of the most complete foods for preventing cramps and supporting overall health. So now we've covered the top 5 foods that help prevent leg cramps in seniors. Let's quickly recap. Bananas provide potassium to prevent cramps. Spinach offers magnesium and calcium for relaxed muscles. Sweet potatoes combine potassium, magnesium, and calcium for powerful cramp prevention. Oranges keep you hydrated and supply electrolytes. And salmon delivers protein, omega-3s, and vitamin D for stronger, healthier legs. Together, these foods form a natural defense against painful muscle cramps. But remember, diet is only one part of the solution. Staying hydrated, stretching regularly, and engaging in light physical activity are also essential for preventing cramps. Seniors who combine healthy eating with these habits can significantly reduce leg cramps and improve mobility. Now, here's something important to mention. If you're really committed to improving your health, make sure to check the description below. I've shared some of the best tools and resources that I personally recommend for staying on track, building strength, and making progress faster. Difference in how you feel every day. So make wise food choices, stay active, and take control of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you toward better health and wellness. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.